Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name on Spotify. To change your profile name on Spotify, first of all, go ahead and open up your Spotify application on your mobile device like you normally do, and then make sure to sign into your account. Once you're in the home page of Spotify, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, click on View Profile underneath your name. You will then end up in your profile where you need to tap on Edit. Now, tap on your name and write down a new name, erasing the current one. After typing down a new name, click on Save at the top right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your Spotify display name right away in just a couple of steps. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Spotify tips and tricks. I will be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.